With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question and the question says a simple pendulum is released from A as shown if M and 1 represents the mass of the bob and length of the pendulum, right? So it is L. Actually it is L, right? The gain kinetic energy at B is what? So at position B, what is the gain in the kinetic energy, right? So what we can say is that there would be a energy change, right? So energy at A, total energy at A, we can consider that the initial velocity was 0 since, right? We can consider this to be the reference position, right? So with respect to that, it was at distance. So we can say, let's say this position would be, this is L, right? So it would be L cos theta. So this height is L cos theta, right? So initial at A, it was potential energy, right? That is mg into L cos theta, right? Correct. Now from here what we could say is that since initially the potential finally here, right, total energy at B would be equal to mg into 0, right? The potential energy would be 0, so we do not need to write that, but there would be some amount of kinetic energy, that is half mv square, right? So the change in we can use conservation of energy, right? That is delta TE should be 0, the change in total energy. Therefore half mv square could be written as mgl cos 30, right? So that would be the amount of gain. So what we can write is, this is delta KE, right? So that would be equal to mgl into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we can write this to be root 3 by 2 mgl, right? So our answer is root 3 by 2 mgl. That is option C is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.